FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As we continue to do analysis for you guys, depending on whatever pairs you guys comment in the comments of each video. If you like to see your pair get a quick analysis from me, just comment below at the bottom of this video and we will definitely get to that specific pair. So today we're covering CAD JPY. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first thing I like to do obviously is go to the daily. Let's take a look at what are the areas where market makers are could possibly have orders where they can actually go and grab. And for me, right off the bat, are going to be these points here are where I feel that there should be some orders for market makers to grab. Okay, these are the main points here. There is one smaller one right in here, which we already see that market makers went and grabbed down into this area. So now we've been pushing up, and I can tell you just from looking at the daily, this right here obviously was a peak formation low. This looks like a peak formation high, and then a possible reset here that happened, and then market makers are pushing higher. So where are market makers likely to go? Right? How far into this cycle are we? So in order to get that answer, guys, let's go down to the smaller time frame so we can take a look. So this is the 1 hour time frame on CAD JPY, and essentially here's where we are. We're coming off peak formation high. We had the reset here, and then now we're basically approaching 2.5 times ADR, and then we have 3 times ADR up here. Now, very important to note that at each one of these areas, there are going to be orders for market makers to grab here, especially up here. The question becomes, do market makers need to go all the way to the top and actually grab these orders, or do they have enough currently right now to go ahead and dump price, or for price action basically to complete a cycle and then start moving down? So what I would be looking for on this specific pair would be for market makers to, first of all, create a peak formation. And that hopefully is going to happen between this 3 times ADR and this 2.5, 3 times ADR. The difference essentially of where they make the peak formation high is really completely dependent on whether or not they need orders. Okay, if market makers need orders, then they could go and stop hunt this area up here. If they need more orders and they really need more liquidity, then they essentially would go ahead and stop hunt this area here and grab more orders before creating a peak formation. So for me right now, on this particular pair, I would be looking for buy options, but I would be very cautious because we are entering in the range of a completed cycle. And for me personally, I like to trade pairs that have already completed a brand new cycle. Okay, I don't like to trade pairs that are about to end a cycle because we don't know how far up they can go because we don't know the numbers that they need in order to complete. All right, so for me personally, I would wait for a full cycle to complete, either here at 2.5 or 3 times ADR. Wait for the peak formation to form, and then we could start to look for sell setups. If we go back up to the daily, the ranges that I marked are basically this up here. Okay, this is where 3 times ADR is. So even to go up higher to the very top, which is up here, this is going to be the very top. If market makers wanted to go up and tag this very top line, they could do that. This would essentially be probably around 4.3 times ADR, which is, you know, pretty close to maxing out the cycle ranges that we see. And so for me, with not knowing essentially how many orders they would need to complete the cycle, I would still continue to look for more buy options until we get any kind of idea or clues as to when they would like to stop. Typically, when you get a clue, it's going to be something like a sharp move like this, that essentially that's like a stop hunt that grabs orders. So that's the first thing that I'm going to be looking for once price action gets into these areas. If I see that that behavior happens here, then that would be a good indication that this could be right here where they want to stop and create a peak formation. At that point, then I'm going to wait for this peak formation to completely be done, okay? And then I'll start looking for sells after that. All right, guys, so I hope this video helped you on CAD JPY, and I hope you got some value from it, guys. If you like these type of content, please like the video. And again, if you want to see your analysis of your specific pair, please comment it below. And until next time, guys, have a great rest of your week and weekend. Guys, if you need any more help, join us on FXN Plus. It's available right now on fxntrading.com. You'll get a lot of different value from FXN Plus. For example, blueprint videos, 9 sessions, 14 hours long, over 100 hours right now of group session videos from the past 2 years. Over 100 hours we're up to right now on these sessions. You also get weekly sessions every Sunday. Ask as many questions as you want. I actually give a weekly analysis during those sessions, and also give a midweek analysis that I put up on the website for everyone to see as well. You get access to the MT4 and MT5 indicators that everyone asked for. That's how you get access to them. Private group, trading plan, custom trading journal. I mean, everything you could possibly want is on FXN Plus. Guys, join us there. If you need any more help, we'll be more than happy to help you. We'll see you on FXN Plus.